In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a maximum order quantity limit rule in Shopify, a helpful tool for managing your online store more effectively. Setting a maximum order limit can ensure that your stock levels are maintained and your products remain available to a broader customer base. This is incredibly useful if you're selling high demand items or have limited inventory. Let's dive right into the process. First, navigate to the Shopify dashboard and locate My Store. Once you're there, look for the General tab. This is where you'll find all the foundational settings for your store. It's always a good practice to familiarize yourself with this area as it houses essential settings that impact your store's operations. Next, you want to access the Settings menu. This is usually found on the left-hand side of the page, often represented by a cog or gear icon. Clicking on Settings will open up a wide range of options for customizing your store to better suit your needs. Take a moment to explore these settings if you haven't already. They offer powerful tools to streamline your business operations. After opening the settings, look for apps and sales channels. This is your gateway to installing and managing third-party apps, which are crucial for adding new functionalities to your store without the need for complex coding. Apps can bring a lot of versatility and unique features to your Shopify store, so always keep an eye out for any that can simplify your workflow. Now proceed to the Shopify App Store. You'll find this option within the Apps and Sales Channels section you just accessed. The App Store is where you can browse and choose from thousands of apps that can extend the functionality of your Shopify setup. Whether it's marketing tools, inventory management systems, or customer service platforms, there's likely an app that fits your needs. Once in the App Store, head to the search bar and type in order limits. This search will pull up any available apps that specialize in or include functionality for setting order limits on your products. It's important to choose an app that has good reviews and fits your specific requirements, whether you're looking for something straightforward or more feature-rich. Finally, select the app that best suits your needs. Each app will have different settings and configurations, so be sure to follow the installation instructions provided by the app developer to implement the maximum order quantity limits on your Shopify store successfully. And that's it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage the maximum order quantity for your Shopify store, ensuring you have full control over your product inventory and customer transactions. It's a great way to enhance customer satisfaction and keep your operation running smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our Shopify tutorials. Thank you for watching.